Hi everyone, today we'll be making this delicious mug cake. But before we begin, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click that like button for more videos. So the first thing you're going to need is obviously you're going to need a mug or like a bowl or whatever you really have, and make sure it's microwave safe. And here I have flour and sugar, and I'll link the full recipe down below. Now you're going to need baking powder, and I'm going to be using, again, I put the whole recipe down below. So you're going to put that baking powder in. This recipe makes a delicious mug cake. It's really fluffy every single time, and it just tastes so great. Alright, and then you can see me mixing it around. Now you guys should probably use a fork or a spoon, not a teaspoon like me. Alright, now you're going to add oil. And if you guys were making it a little bit more, made to more fluffy, you guys could substitute for some butter, melted butter. Alright, now I'm adding my milk, and then I also put a drop of vanilla extract in my milk. But if you guys didn't have vanilla extract, you guys could totally make this recipe. It would just taste a little more like less vanilla-y, I don't know. Alright, and then again I use my teaspoon. Again, you guys should use a real mixing thingy-mabob. So I'm mixing that around, and you want to make sure that you're getting all those lumps out. You guys do not want lumps in this because it's just, you're going to get lumps of flour, and I don't want that. Alright, now I'm adding my sprinkles, and this is optional, but I think it just makes it look better. So add a lot of sprinkles if you have them. Alright, and then I'm going to put that in the microwave for a good, I feel like the sweet part for me is just 56 minutes. It's perfect. Alright, now I'm adding more sprinkles, obviously. And that is how you make a delicious mug cake.